Okay, it's ready to go maybe. Uh, Damn. Now let's open with. Hmm. Okay. Let's see the uses. It's about approx 4 GB, right? That's fine for us. Let's continue. Mm. And if you want, if you people want, like you can use anti-gravity AI, something else. You can use Quen Coder CLI. You people are aware of this kind of tools because see, you are doing like if you are using AI, that's a different thing. If you are understanding the things, I mean, without AI and all, that's a great. But right now AI can code. You have to understand the logic, mainly logic, right? You people are maybe able to get my point, probably.
Yeah, understood.
Mm, 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 mm. Okay. So theme here, no theme here. That's fine. No, we don't need any theme right now. So now let's spin up a tool that we need to use, right? So let's open up a tool. Not this one actually. This one and this one. That is the postman actually. Postman here. No postman. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this one. So there is a postman and asking for authentication. Okay, let's change. It's like you are observing maybe something screen related thing. You like feeling that as I am. Think we can change it to something like something else. Probably not this actually, but I can just scale up. Let's try something. Probably this, maybe this. Okay, we will try tomorrow this one. Like tomorrow, we will test this thing, and because I'm feeling. But right now, we can change the theme, right? So wait, because it's looking maybe odd or something else, right? I mean, not you people are observing. But kindly wait 2 minutes more. I think I'm wasting your time. But yeah, you can say this may worth it. Let's check the usage. Okay. Mm, This 5 GB. Okay, let's spin up the Brave. Okay. Mhm. I think having some issues related to sign in here right now. So, I think I will fix this tomorrow and let's continue without account. Okay. So, yeah, I think you people already aware of this, maybe, maybe not, right? So let's do something like as you know we like in earlier and lastly we used you know simple curl request, right? You aware of curl? It's like you can request on endpoint http endpoints. Okay, so there is a similar thing, postman. So let's start the server first. Okay, it's node test.js. Okay, npm I. As I mentioned earlier, like, should I go for this? Like, why I did npm I, right? Should I go for this? Should I explain this, Anudeep and Raju? Because you people may not aware of this. So basically, see, this is, I send you files, you can say zip file with packet.json and this one. Like these two files are mandatory. And what they like actually contains. they contains dependency, as I mentioned earlier, maybe yesterday you can say, right? And other things like scripts and all. This is code files, like those are the code files, right? But those are the actually dependencies, like packages. Actually, you can see the codes, right? What's happening here and all, right? So these are the dependencies you just have to understand. Okay, I mean, you don't have to care of, but at least you have to like how to use this. Some primary or mandatory libraries you can say you have to care of. So those are the packages should be installed if you are using importing or something, right? Probably you are getting my point, right? Anudeep and Raju.
Yeah, understood by.
राजू भैया समझ में आया आपको? नहीं आया? हाँ जी। देखो, यहाँ पे एक्सप्रेस है। इसने बोला मेरे को एक्सप्रेस नहीं मिला। क्यों नहीं मिला? क्योंकि हमने ये पैकेज इंस्टॉल नहीं किया। ये देखो यहाँ क्या लिखा हुआ है, मॉड्यूल नॉट फाउंड। तो हमने कहाँ पे एक्सप्रेस यूज किया? यहाँ पे। तो ये अगर पैकेज ऑलरेडी है तभी तो यूज किया है। अब ये कहाँ पे है? ये जो एनपीएम है, उनका जो कलेक्शन है, उनकी रेपोजिटरी है, वहां पे है। तो इसको हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं? उसको हमें इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा। इसको हम इंस्टॉल कैसे कर सकते हैं? या तो लोकली कर सकते हैं या ग्लोबली। लोकली या ग्लोबली मतलब एक स्पेसिफिक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए या फिर सिस्टम लेवल के लिए, है ना? या डेव डिपेंडेंसी के लिए। तो जो हम अभी यूज कर रहे हैं वो एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? ओके, ये इंस्टॉल कैसे करना है? इंस्टॉल आपको कैसे करना है? npm i लिखते ही जितने भी इसमें डिफाइन करे होंगे ना, ये वाले, ये यहाँ पे, ये अगर मैं बोलूँ कि यहाँ पे मैं कुछ और लिख दूंगा तो वो भी यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा, है ना? ठीक है। यहाँ पे मैं लिख के npm i कर दूंगा ना तो वो यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा। एक बार बताओ ना। अब ये सेम वर्जन में होगा तो इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा। ये देखो, यहाँ पे देखो एडेड वन पैकेज, देखा? Anudeep, you got this?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, if I am like I just removed this, right? So if I do the same thing, it will remove the package. This will
Oh,
remove the package.
okay. Understood. Okay.
Okay, like this will work on this file. Okay, like mainly on this part.
Okay.
Okay,
Mhm.
so yeah, we are here, right? So let's start node application. Node. Okay, a npm test.js, right? I started this one. Okay, so let's http colon slash host colon 300. So see, okay, this will not going to work, right? Because of there is no actual endpoint here, right? So we can change it to put. It will work. Okay. Now, now we have to do for everything, right? Here get, here post, put, patch, and delete. So, see, first we can do anything in post. Like this is post request, right? This this is patch request. This is delete request. Let's see this also. Restart the server. So now you can see. You can see. You are able to see this. Raju, Anudeep.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, get request. Let's see this. This is post request, right? This is fetch request. This is okay. This is patch, not a. It's put and now patch and now delete, right? So you are able to get my point. Like you people have to just uh, you just need to you know change the method here. Get, post, put, patch, delete.
Okay, so we
That's
need to define all these requests over there.
yeah, yeah. You have to define this, right?
Okay.
So suppose this is a simple one, right?
Yeah.
Let's something. I mean, let's do something like not useful actually, but it still makes sense. Like it will make sense, right? So we okay. There will be one issue we will resolve further, but for now you can say we have to comment this and here was dot send. We can return before return we have to get maybe uh, maybe E or B or X Y or Z, right? We'll do like this E comma B and we will extract it from request dot body. Okay, so how many ways we can extract we will like we will coming up to this soon, but for now let's return res.send in and this why we are using this is I think we are doing something wrong maybe. Let's see, we can use plus for now. Wait, this okay, let's see, this is the sum maybe and dollar. Maybe there is some syntax issue, right? So let's A plus B maybe, right? Think let's close this one and let's fix syntaxes and let me have a look at this. Okay. Uh,
Right. Sorry, I'm still, like kind of confused. I mean, so
okay.
the code you are writing, right? I'm not able to get it. Meaning, like,
Yeah,
I'm not understanding what is happening behind.
yeah. Okay. I'm coming on this. Wait. Okay. Wait a minute. Like, where is Arrowcity actually? Yeah, this will going to eat my space actually. Maybe, probably. So, we are coming to this again because we have to we have to fix some syntax issues. So there is a autocomplete and also I'm just coming to this. Okay. Okay. It's like we can't send in JSON actually, but yeah, that's fine, right? So let's again note. Let me complete this, and after this, I will explain. Okay. So let's have a like we can okay which method it's like get method, right? So we can get, right, then we have to add this. I will explain, just wait, okay, just if you can understand or kindly wait. Okay, so what is the issue? It's undefined. A is undefined. Okay, but why it's okay? See, we are getting some error, right? But why? Because we are sending in JSON, right? It's JSON, right? So we have to parse it. For parse it, we can use something, it's not a course app dot use. Yeah, this is the middleware. You don't know about the middleware, right? But yeah, you have to like just understand something in the middle, okay, for now, but afterward after some classes, maybe one or two maybe, we will understand middleware deeply, okay. So for now you can say this is like gatekeeper, mainly, okay. Maybe some other use cases, but yeah, Raju and
हाँ भाई. Yeah.
yeah. ये देखो अभी Pranadip, it's like we are getting result, right? Right now.
Yes. Yes.
हाँ, अब आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आया राजू बताओ. क्या पूरा पार्ट में क्या है ये वाला, ये समझ में आ गया ये वाला.
No, but do one thing. So
या
you have written multiple methods in this, right? So explain
राइट.
one method. So what is get is doing, like how this rest dot send is going to there, or like you are
ओके.
calling like comma rest. So I'm totally blind about all this. Like you written line 10, right? Like let's take line 10.
Right. Okay, okay.
Line 10, line
See,
10. Yeah.
this is app.get and this is the route. This is as a string we are passing the path. Okay. What is the path? Path is this, like this slash. By default, this is slash, right? So you will get this, right? But if you put this, same results, right?
Okay. Okay. So so this is a process, right? We always need to put a pass a slash in that case. That is what you are trying to say.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you want to like pass to default path, right? I mean slash,
Okay.
then you have, and if you want something like add this, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
you
Just now
have
we
to
did a
put,
method add method, so that's why you passed add.
yeah, this one, right?
Okay. Yeah, but
Now, now like if you want to change methods, you just have to, simply just change the method like get, post, because
what about
there.
written res?
Yeah, can you repeat again?
REQRES. You have written line 10 after slash. You have two more things passed. RUQ, comma RES. Yes.
Yeah, this is maybe you are not able to like understand like assigned thing. As I mentioned earlier, this is pre-requirement. You have to understand about callbacks, right? So this is this is the you aware of arrow function?
Yes. Okay,
So
so this is an arrow function. Okay.
yeah, you are passing. See, you are passing to argument request and response, right?
Okay.
And in the body part, you are passing rest.send. This one.
Yeah, but where is this res dot send is defined?
This is the argument. Like send is method, right? But
Yeah,
request
send
is
method.
suppose. See, wait. So suppose I just request two, right? Okay. And let's see rest two. Okay. So let's define rest two here. Okay. Okay. And let's send request. Why we are getting this? Are you able to are you able to get my point?
Um, so what you have done, sir? Can you repeat? You sent a in postman. What you have done, Baya? Can you show me back?
I changed request and response like
Two, two. Yeah,
res.
there is two. Are you two
Yeah,
two? Okay.
yeah. So it's not mandatory thing to keep res req. Okay,
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
change to anything because as I mentioned earlier, those are the parameters, right?
yeah.
And this is the callback function.
Okay, but send method it isn't pre like I don't know about what is send method.
Send is defined here.
Okay.
This one, right? I mean, those are the examples you can say, right? And like it's a part of Express. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you don't have to you can go for understanding, but I think so. You just have to understand the methods, like use cases. That's it.
Okay, okay, okay. So in the same way, so you have written in line 35, I guess. So you have add extra slash add. That means extra add is a function where you are
Yeah.
doing um, constant a comma b equal to req dot body. So
Okay. This is the parsing thing. So suppose if you want to get parameters, like not a parameters. See, there's a multiple things. Parameters. Maybe you can say body. You can pass. So see, if you are passing something, right? Let's come to this part, right? So this is it. This is the server, right?
Mhm.
This client, and you are requesting to this thing, right? I mean,
Yes,
whatever postman or something.
yes, yes,
So you have to pass something. I mean, you want something, you want to pass to some like process something on server, but for that you have to pass something, some data, right?
yes.
Maybe some information. So
Mhm.
for information exchange, you have to provide, right? So how server will accept that information in how many forms, how many ways we can pass the information, right?
Yeah,
Maybe something else. So basically, mainly, if we are talking about basic things, so see, we can pass in headers. So what is the headers? Actually, yeah, this one. So if you want, like, see, there is a test. There is a test. This is the important part. You people have to keep, you know, like, people must be focused to understand
mhm.
testing. Okay, so I'm just passing in headers, right? So let's go to the this, and again, where we passing? We are passing here, right? So request to for this first we have to console.log, and we can just headers. See, we can directly console.log, right? Not host name actually. Header dot testing. I mean, not testing, it's test, right? Let's again restart. So you can see what we get. Are you able to understand how we are able to pass by headers? We are getting this.
Uh, yeah. I mean, yes.
Uh,
Uh,
you,
but but
yeah, yeah.
so there are multiple things we are like in this example. You have used headers dot test, which we never know that. Like for the first time we are seeing this, and I think there are a lot of these kind of things. Meaning like you can pass values like headers, and also you said something in the
Yeah,
below.
I'm coming to this. I'm coming to this, but you
Okay.
asked that thing, so that's why I'm coming to this first because I'm just going to
Yeah.
complete
Okay.
this.
Okay. Okay. No problem. No
So
problem.
let's complete first because let's complete how we can pass data first. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
now this is the header how we can pass. Second way, how we can pass via parameter. This one. So this is also test and this is also testing. Okay.
Testing.
Maybe testing one. Okay.
Okay.
So
Console.log.
you can use console.log request.query
Okay. For this
and
we use query since it is param. Okay. Dot test.
dot test.
Okay.
Let's try. You can see this, right?
Yeah. Got it. So, Baya. So
Yeah.
once you return, right? So you gonna run in the terminal. You said you restarted the server, and then you went to the postman and you click on the send button, right?
Right, right. So if you want to overcome this headache, right? So you can use nodemon. Okay. Let's come to this. Okay, so for nodemon, like nodemon, you can say npm I nodemon hyphen hyphen dev. Maybe saved you, maybe saved you. We have to, yeah, this one. Okay, so this will you will be able to see there is a dependency and there is a div dependency, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What is the difference? So if you're going to install, by default, you will going to install maybe npm going to install the dependency only, not div dependencies. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, like you after practicing, if you are continuously doing practically things, then you will able to get those things
Yeah.
like basic things. But yeah, makes sense, right? So after node mode, see there is a scripting part. So I'm not coming to this right now because it will be our burden to you people maybe. So let's node mode and that's it. Okay, nodemon command not found. What? Nodemon command not found. We just installed it right now. Maybe it's something else. Let's okay. Okay. Let's install without div dependency.
We can look at this later. We just continue the class. I mean, like this is not mandatory right now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it. I think like why I don't know why we are not able to get this command by the
Yeah,
way, but yeah.
yeah. So yeah, coming back to the last line 35 or something. Okay, okay. Sorry, continue, continue. My bad. Sorry.
Yeah, console dot. So there is a params, right? What is the difference between params? So suppose if you are passing something like test, not this one actually, like this, okay? So if I pass, because you will get undefined. If I do this, then for now I will do this, and that's it, right? What test? So define testing uh, and restart first. Let's restart. Work maybe. Yeah, we can see. Okay.
Bye.
So
Sorry, I didn't understand params. I
actually,
understand first.
you have to write here params, and you can parse here. That's it. And again, if you are using Postman, you have to pass here. Okay, and here is a value.
Okay. Hmm.
Like you are passing
Can you repeat from the starting?
from here
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Line
in
30. 11, 12 is understood. Like 11, 12, no problem. I got it.
okay.
Only params is confusing.
ओके ओके आई विल कवर सो राजू आपको समझ में आया भैया थोड़ा टाइम नहीं हुआ ओके सो सी in query we have to pass via question mark like we can say we are just doing this right okay this is for query part like total this one is a query okay sorry this one is a query part right
Oh, you need to. Okay, if you write query, you need to write like this. Question mark testing equal test one.
yeah if you are passing params then you can just pass like
Bye. Sorry.
test
Sorry. So if we.
xyz
Okay.
and boom here you can see like it's quite confusing but it's a past part of predefined syntax you have to keep in mind okay
Mm, Sorry, Bhaiya. um,
Like you people have to give some time to this, because as I mentioned earlier, like backend is, tricky, but if you give time, it's handy and it's easy as compared to front end, even more easy.
okay. Bhaiya, I'll tell you what I understood so that you can tell me like it is wrong or right, or like you can add any point on.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So in this example, number 10, line 10, so we don't have that slash dot dot test, colon test, right? We just use slash, and then we use the console dot log request to dot headers dot test in the starting. So
Yeah,
which is nothing but in headers, we are passing a value from the postman. So we are
right.
defined test and we have given the value as testing as the value for the test. So in order to run, so once we click on the send, this test, the server will run with this port number and it will collect the test value which is having testing and it is printed testing here in the bottom,
Yeah,
right? So same way in the query, so you mentioned um, for test equal to testing one in the postman. I don't remember exactly.
oh, okay. This one.
Oh, there. Okay, okay. I thought it is in param. In
No,
params,
it's
you mentioned here, right, by a test one in the bottom. You see the
this.
query params?
This is the params.
No, no, no. Query params. There is a tick mark with test.
This is the QT.
Oh, this is query. Yeah, yeah. We are talking about query only, right?
Yeah.
So if we define console.log query.test, so yeah, request to dot query dot test. So it will going to the query params and it is giving the value. So until this, it is clear, Bhaiya. So no doubt.
Okay.
So when we coming back to the params, there it
Hmm.
is problem. So
It's a
here,
it's a not a big deal. It's a positional thing. After slash, right? After slash, here, if you're passing something, then it will be considered as a test. So suppose if you are giving something like this, sorry, not
Bhaiya,
this
after
one.
3000, after 3000, remove everything and write from the starting, Bhaiya. After 3000.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. So, now explain, Bhaiya. Now tell.
Hmm?
Yeah, now you can.
Yeah. So now let's restart first, okay? Because we will get an error if we not do that. So now we are going to suppose. See, there is a problem. What is the problem if I define test 2 even?
So
Then
what do you mean by test two here? So you are defining or you are what is this test two?
param. It's param. Okay?
Okay, so you are passing a test to param over there.
Yeah, test 2. Okay, right? This one. You're passing.
Oh, okay, okay. So this is how you okay, okay. Sorry, Bhaiya. Now I understood. Okay.
This is the positional thing, right? I mean, just let's come to this, right? And hit the endpoint. We have got this, right? We got this. But suppose
Okay.
I change it to the test 2.
Okay.
And so it will be the different thing. I mean, yeah, not a different thing. Now it is working. So you can see it's working, right? But this is the nothing more than positional thing here. Suppose I just pass something tested, tested, right? So
Mm.
what we will get?
Error. Oh.
No, okay.
um,
As I mentioned earlier, this is the positional thing. Okay.
RMs dot tested to. Oh, okay, you changed here. Sorry, I didn't see you. You changed here. Okay, you define test to position and also okay, you call params dot test to. Okay, Okay, Bhaiya. Sorry, I didn't know you changed here. Okay.
या नो इश्यूज। राजू भैया कुछ आया समझ में कि
Let's try to understand Raju Bhaiya also. Raju Bhaiya, you got it what Bhaiya told, or I'll also add.
राजू भैया बोल रहे हैं फाइटर जेट उड़ रहे हैं।
राजू भैया, आपको हेडर क्वेरी बोथ अंडरस्टैंड हो गया और आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए वो दोनों लाइन 11 to 11 and 12?
हाँ हाँ सब में करना पड़ता है सबके लिए कॉमन है। अभी तो और अभी तो और आएगा सर। हम्म। हम्म, कर सकते हो। हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल कर सकते हो। हाँ हाँ कर सकते हो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। यस 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 यस। हाँ मैं समझ रहा हूँ आपका पॉइंट। बट जब पूरा करोगे ना आप ये पूरा होगा ना तब आपका पर्सपेक्टिव और भी अच्छा हो जाएगा इवन बदल जाएगा मेरे हिसाब से तो। है ना। ओके एक चीज आज मैं और बता देता हूँ। देर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन frameworks. See, there is a difference between frameworks. Why I'm just going to like discuss this thing. See, if you are talking about a simple thing like let's clear first. We are talking about simple things like maybe PHP application. You are aware of PHP applications? Hello. So in their PHP applications, in core, I'm not talking about Slim or other frameworks. So in core, there is a mix up like front end and back end mixed, right? So in that, they will return some HTML files, some other files, but in most like you can say APIs are like mainly API or REST APIs. There is a framework like Express backend library framework, what you can say, right? Okay, slice API. So maybe lib you can say, right? So here there is a routing rules. If you want same functionality here, you have to do the routing manually. So what Express doing for you? Routing, it's like internally completed. Okay, and here you have to configure. You have to configure. Like this is a basic thing, but you should know. And other than that, uh, mainly this is the main difference actually, and nothing more actually. This is the main difference. And data, mainly like data exchange will be mostly. I'm not saying that actually you have to do in that because you can submit in form or something, right? But you can say you can say like send in any format like form or something else, but most probably it will be the JSON. Or secondary, you can XML. Like if you are talking with any API, developing any API, so you will probably write send the response in JSON format. Okay. So what is the JSON? So should I explain now? Should I explain tomorrow? Because you will have to complete what you need to complete, how we can pass the data, right? I mean, query, params, headers, body. Four ways we can pass the data. Four ways. You can write those things you have to keep in mind from tomorrow, and you can do some practicals with that, like hands on. Again, if you want, I can repeat.
Well, can you repeat? Sorry, you asked what? Uh,
Headers. You have to, like, how we can pass the data client to server, right?
yes. Okay.
So you can pass in headers, queries, like header, query, and params.
Mhm.
And lastly, body.
Okay. So did we discuss body? No, right?
Yeah, we already discussed about that. You have to do some practical with that, right?
Okay.
Those are the four type. Like how we can pass, mainly four types. Mainly,
Okay.
I mostly four types. Maybe exactly four type, right?
Okay.
Okay. So first
Um,
thing, yeah,
okay. No, no, you continue. After that, I'll ask.
yeah. And you have to complete this, and already maybe we discussed and assigned the methods and also status codes. So further in tomorrow class we will continue with the status codes, right? And apart from this, I think what, yeah, we already talking about right now JSON format. So we will discuss about JSON. You have to remind about JSON, right? Like it's not a big deal, but actually you have to understand. So that's why I'm just saying we will discuss about JSON, right?
Mm. Okay.
राजू भैया, आपको भी समझ में आया कि आपको क्या पढ़ना है अभी कल? Yes, yes, yes. हम्म. हाँ हाँ. नहीं, अगर टेस्टिंग हो रही है तो पोस्टमैन यूज कर सकते हो. हम्म. हाँ, पोस्टमैन पे होगी. हम्म. हाँ हाँ, डमी डमी तो डमी है. थोड़ा रुको जरा. डमी क्या भी अच्छे लेवल की भी बनेगी सर, है ना? हाँ. हम्म. हम्म. देखो यार, थोड़ा टाइम दो यार, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो एक्स्ट्रा तुम्हारा संडे को कवर अप कर लेंगे, है ना? तो कोई दिक्कत वाली बात, बट टाइम देना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा खुद ट्राई करो. एंड लाइक अनुदीप, कैन यू हेल्प, like help to Raju? to understand some things after class, maybe in group or something, right?
But yeah, sure, sure. We'll connect and we'll also work by.
Yeah, like Raju
Uh,
is available after class because he is like a job guy. Nine. What
uh,
is the timing of your job?
by आपका
Uh,
time.
yeah, Raju, your timing. Not start. 9 to.
Oh, bye. You're working a lot, bye. Oh, why don't work too much? Too much. Why? Take. You need to get some rest.
Okay. Raju, kindly stop your recording first and
Sorry.
handbrake लगा दो.